we're about to start installing the quilted leather. I got my friend Aaron coming over right now. He's gonna help me, or at least help film while I install it. It is all from Carbon Miata. First time buying from them, but I got to take a good look at it for a little bit before deciding to install it right now. And it looks like it's all pretty well made material. I think it's like a mix between real leather, fake leather, that stuff, which is good because some of the stuff is going on the floor mats or will be replacing the floor mats. So I'm hoping that it will be kind of scratch resistant, stain resistant, stuff like that. It's just a bunch of black quilted leather, but it should match the interior pretty well. Then we're gonna use this old blanket, nice and soft, so we can set the hardtop on top of it. Now that the hardtop is off, we'll get the quilted leather headliner. They gave us a bunch of like 3M tape strips to install with. So it should go something like that. I think that looks pretty good. Alright, now we just put it back in the cart, right? Alright, so they're all laid out, hopefully in a good order. Now all that's left to do is place it on. Here's how it came out, all laid down. Looks like it came out pretty well. Alright, next up we have the parcel shelf. Come over here. I gotta clean this thing out. Oh, look who it is. Hey. So we just put on a bunch of the little sticky ones, even on top of this little buttle thing that Mazda provides us with. Got some other ones around here. I still have quite a bit in the bag. I think we'll just save those though and see if it'll just be sturdy enough on here how it is. So I'd like to keep the sound and heat out. Mostly finished product. We could have done a little bit more to get a cleaner install, but I want to save some of those things. I think it looks pretty good for now. Last but not least, we got the floor mats. So these nasty things will be out of here soon. So we are installing the floor mats now. Got rid of that old crappy looking one. Oh, it's gonna be a pain in the butt.
That's what she said, bro.
I know, right?
All that grime at the bottom of the freaking seat, dude. It's
so much grime.
It's disgusting.
So much nastiness.
Look at this dude's car, dude. Look at this dude. Look at this dude. Oh, that's nasty. Clean your freaking car, dude.
Yeah, that's
Come
how we're
on.
doing this.
Come on.
What is this? This is a chip.
What's in the green package?
Gum.
Oh.
Why?
Just wondering.
What'd you think it was?
Condoms.
What? Condom? You didn't need any of
A
that.
little more slick than that.
I'm just playing.
Look at that, we got the new Bride Low Maxes. Super low.
Nice.
Now we gotta vacuum everything out because it is gross in here. So once again, it is getting dark while we are in the middle of installing everything. So we got our handy dandy giant light. Now we gotta pull off the center console because you know, car parts are never as easy as it's supposed to be. And yeah, we'll go from there. Alright, so we're taking a slight detour. I gotta go get a mouse for my snake before 8 o'clock, so that's where we're going. And we're gonna whip Aaron's car. He won't even get in the car, get out of the car to come with his best friend into Offer Pets. What a shame. Alright, we got the bag. We got the mouse in the bag. The mouse will go in the snake. Mouse will go in the snake. The lady asked me if I bought this entire camera just to record my snake eating. I said yes. No lighting, no lighting, no lighting, no lighting. There we go, here's some lighting. We're gonna take the center console out. That was eventful. Now I look like a freaking ghost again. Now you can see how white I really am. Oh, the Mexican food shop lady. I asked her for red sauces, and she gave me only green. And I had called her a terrible person, and I spilled the green sauce immediately all over my entire body.
And that was story time with Davin.
Oh, I'm not posting that. No freaking way am I posting that. So that's gotta go in like so.
How's that? That's gonna be a pain.
Right?
You're gonna need the carpet.
Alright, fine.
Keep the carpet.
Alright, update time. We've decided fuck our lives, and after installing it the first time, realizing the center console couldn't go on because I don't know, I just want to go on. So we're like, okay, we need to make some more room. So we decide, fuck the carpet, we're just gonna take all of it out. And so this is where we're at with our life. Stripping the interior now of my previously nice car. Aaron, how do you feel about this?
This is funny to watch. You know. That's all. I'm too black for this. It's not giving me good lighting. Good set.
Here, baby. I got you.
Oh, okay.
Alright, update. We're going to Walmart. After I stripped the interior, I realized that I did not have any more Velcro. Sticky Velcro things. So the carpet's just kind of sitting there, waddling around. Open door. Really?
I'm so tired.
Oh
no.
my
Wait,
gosh.
wait, this door's closed. Please do the side. Oh, okay, I got it. Okay, that was closed.
We thought it was closed. I don't know.
I'm so tired.
I would have been so upset right now.
This also sounds good.
Okay.
Hurry up, hurry up, hurry up. Look at this guy. We just came here for the essentials. What is this? What is this? Whew. Yeah. Ooh. Ooh. Ooh, yeah. Get it. Get it. Ah. There he is. What's up, baby?
Let's go next.
Yeah.
Oh, Sonic?
Yeah.
Oh, yes.
Oh, yes. Who's Tommy?
Bro, I feel bad that you fucked up my order.
Look how
so, like,
pretty his eyes are.
Stop.
Look at
Dude,
You see how much he likes me? Look at that. He just blushes. He just blushes. He won't let me in his car.
it's open.
It's open.
What I was saying is now I feel like
He can't even think straight now.
I feel obligated to tip because like, bro, look at he can't even see me in the shot. He's just zooming in on me because.
Man's just told me that he's a professional skater.
I used to play hockey, so I'm very judgmental.
He's a judgmental bitch with pretty eyes.
Oh my god. I mean, honestly, when you look at him,
He likes it. Aaron's just gorgeous in general.
you know how it is.
He's my little muy caliente jalapeno.
You know all my secrets, Devin.
Yeah. Even the ones I don't want to know. What?
My confectionery compadre.
Yeah. Let's just. Yeah.
Tell me what you called me again.
What?
What did you call me?
A glucose.
Lover. This man just said, I fucking hate milk. Oh!
Look at this man's.
What?
Look at this man's.
Oh! Holy! Hold the fuck up.
What is this?
Bro, how did
He's got it in his hand.
y'all just see you just pick that thing up? Like, what the?
Alright, third time's a charm. We just
Fuck the Z, I'm just getting a Viper.
get a Miata, bro. Get a Miata. Alright, so I just put the new Velcro down, stickied everything down. I think it came out pretty clean. I should realistically take the parcel shelf back off and re-Velcro that, but kind of done with it for tonight. I'm just gonna leave it how it is.
This guy.
That's how it turned out so far.
Aaron. If you don't shut up.
Finally finished installing the quilted leather. I think it looks fresh. I still gotta clean the interior, undust everything, clean the car itself, but let's take a look at it. Here we go. Freaking love it. It's so clean looking. Now we just gotta change Aaron's car's oil. and then we'll be done for the night.
If I take you down, would you really want me down and be your best friend? She just wanna hit me with a quickie by the pool, and I'm like, yes, ma'am. But you got me fiending for your body, you might turn me to a yes, man. Oh yeah.